Welcome, students. Now we move to the third diagram when an object is placed at the center of curvature. Here I have drawn a concave mirror with pole, focal focus point and center of curvature with 3 centimeter distance. The non-reflecting surface of concave mirror is also shown. Now the object is at the center of curvature. It means our object is at here, center of curvature. Now first rays. First ray incident parallelly to the reflecting surface of concave mirror, and after reflection it passes through F. It passes through F. Now the second law, second rule is passes through F and it should be straight line. Now and after reflection it passes parallel to the principal axis. These two reflecting rays meet each other, we have an image. So here is the object and this is image. So now image position. So image is obtained exactly on center of curvature. On center of curvature or distance equal to radius of curvature. Now nature. What is the nature of the image? The image is obtained on front of mirror. Hence, this image is real, and real image is always inverted. And what is about size? It is exactly the same size as an object. So this is the discussion of image which we obtained. Now move to the fourth one. Object now moves nearer to the mirror. It is in between center of curvature and focus. Okay. Now the image it is not necessary that the object is exact at the middle point, exact on the middle point, but in between, whatever you have, you will take the distance. First rule, parallel to principal axis and passes through focus. Passes through focus. Now, passes through focus, and after reflection, it travels parallel to principal axis. And wherever the two reflecting rays meet each other, image is obtained. This is object, this is image. So what is the position of the image? It is beyond center of curvature, beyond C, or distance more than radius of curvature. Object between focus and center of curvature, it means distance is less than focal length, and or distance is greater than focal length, or distance is less than radius of curvature. Now size of the image bigger than object. So this is our fourth. Now object should be placed on principal focus. Object on focus F, it means distance is equal to focal length small f. Now object is here. So first rule is parallel to principal axis and passes through focus. Now here the second rule does not apply, because The second rule is from F, and after parallel, after reflection it parallel to principal axis, but here object is on F. So we use the third rule, which is when a ray passes through center of curvature and incident on the mirror, it rebounds back. And here both the rays are parallel rays. The position, what is the position of the image? So it is considered that the image is obtained at infinity, because our first diagram was when object is at infinity, then image is obtained on focus. Exactly opposite to this, if object is on focus, then its image obtained at infinity. Nature, so it is in front of mirror, so it is real, and real image is always inverted. Size highly enlarged or highly magnified, because it is bigger than the sun, so it is called highly magnified. Now, sixth one. Now, object is in between focus and pole of the mirror. It means distance less than focal length, or object is within the focal length, it also can be said. Now, this is our object. It is in between focus and pole. The first one is same, first rule, parallel to principal axis, and after reflection passes through focus. And the third law, if a ray passes through center of curvature, is rebound. But both the rays are go apart. So image is not obtained really, because the rays do not really meet each other. But after extending the rays, the back of the mirror, it is appear to meet at a point. And we have an image. So here extended line should be perforated. So these two lines should be perforated and they meet each other, at that meeting point, image is obtained. So here object, and this is image. So image. So what is the position of image? Behind the mirror. Nature, it is obtained on the back side, so it is virtual, and virtual image is always erect image, and the size, it is magnified. So here the 6 diagrams of obtaining image by the concave mirror. This diagram should be practiced at least 3 times, and remember this diagram because the question should be asked regarding this diagram. Then we will meet next time. Till you then, goodbye. Thank you.